Hi everyone, this is Maria from Peking Gal Travels. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a very quick tour of an ocean view cabin on the Carnival Panorama. We are staying on deck 1, ocean view aft. Guess what? There is a surprise in this cabin that we did not expect. Okay, so this is our ocean view cabin on Carnival Panorama. Let's start off with the closet space. Here we go. All those amazing hangers. You have some shelving right here. Some more hangers, low hangers here. Full length mirror. And drawers, your safe. Obviously we just got in, so didn't get a chance to lock up our stuff yet. Okay, we have the desk area here. First thing we looked for is, do we have USB ports? And guess what? We do. Right there, 2 120s. 1 230 volt here, water, drawer with hair dryer, and it's working. Yes, thank you. Our little seat here, and the fridge. It's cool. You can put all your drinks in there. And let's go look at the bathroom. Okay, shower curtain, but you know, I prefer glass door, but I think I can survive this week with a shower curtain. Okay, we have our mirrors, tons of shelving. Go. Okay, we have a door here, and never seen this before. There are 2 bathrooms, so you get a sink and a tub and a shower. So this is an advantage if you're staying with, you know, more than 2 people in a room here. So no lines for the bathroom, right? Or shower, no extra toilet. So couch, we have a TV. This is a king size bed. Well, 2 singles put into 1 bed, and our ocean view. Okay, that's our room where we'll be for the next 6 nights. So that was a quick tour of our ocean view cabin. Tell me in the comments, have you stayed in an ocean view cabin on deck 1 and had two showers and 2 sinks? What did you think of it? If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, where we will be bringing more videos on this ship and future cruises coming up soon. Thanks for watching. Happy cruising.